This is the 1-4-1 cadence, also known as the Plagal Cadence in C major. I'm going to start with just the two outer notes. So the C chord, the outer notes are C and G. And when I go to the 4 chord, which is an inverted F chord, I'm going to move my G up to the A. And then I'm going to come back to the G. So it looks like this in the right hand. And in the left hand. And in both hands. Now, stop or pause this video and practice that first before we move on. And when you're ready, come back to this video and I will show you now how to do it with 3 notes. My outer notes were C and G. My inner note in the C chord is E. Now, we already know that the G is going to move up to the A. The E moves up to the F. And then back again. Notice in the right hand, I always use fingers 1, 3, and 5. 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. A little different in the left hand. Here's my C chord. When I go up to the F chord, the 4 chord, look, I'm using finger 2 on the F. I'll play it for you again. And here it is, hands together.